Hello everyone. So this is Siddharth Dayalwal and I just received this box from FedEx today. It's by GitHub Education and I just took part in the MyOctocat challenge which is there on Twitter, and GitHub Education just loved my artwork which I showed in making the Octocats. So you'll be able to see all the Octocats in the end of this video. So I'll just going to unbox this. The size of this box is 12 inch by 10 inch by 6 inch, and I'm excited to see what they have sent to me. So let's unbox it. So yeah, let's unbox this. I'm using a knife to unbox it because I am not tearing apart this box, as I love boxes and I would love storing my extra stuffs in this. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what they have sent it to me. First of all, this is the billing and receipt amount. Oh, I think there's the content here written, but I'll show it to you later. These are all the bills they are sending us, and this is a letter by FedEx with my barcode and all details. Right, so here is it. As you might be able to see that the description, it's the GitHub sticker bundle design, 37 designs, and Octocat figurine. Wow, that's insane. And lastly, Octoplush. Oh, I didn't expect it that Octoplush is a very good okay, let me open it, then you'll able to know that what Octoplush actually is. So I don't want to tear it apart, but yeah, let me try. Yeah, this is just a tape. Wow, it's pretty nice packing. Okay, wow, 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 I just love it. Superb. Isn't that cute? I'm pretty impressed. Wow, 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 this looks so beautiful. I'm just loving it. Let me check other things. Alright, so these are the stickers. These are 37 stickers. Wow. So I'll soon be bifurcating each of them. And this is the thing. This is the figurine. Wow, that's great. There's the GitHub logo over here. I hope you might be able to see. Yeah, it is here. And yeah. So I'm going to unbox this as well in the later part of the video. Yeah, so let's unbox this also. So let's open it. Though I'm not going to keep it away from this packet because the dust will soon cover it. Just to showcase it right now, I'll just open this polythene bag. Oh, it's pretty sticky over here. Oh, it's so soft. Wow, wow, wow. This is Octoplush. Wow. This is literally so soft and I'm just loving it. Thanks a lot GitHub Education for sending this. Wow. She's called Mona. Mona the Octocat. Let me just clear it by your side. As you can read, Mona the Octocat is a curious creature. Feed her your best ideas and she will grow big and strong. Yes, of course. I'll surely feed her best of the ideas. She's cute. Now let us unbox other stuffs. Let's reveal the figurine. So let me check. Alright, we have the opening over here. This is also taped properly. Well taped parcels. I love them. So yeah, it's open, and let me take this out of the bag. Wow, wow, I'm just loving it. So as you can see, here's the logo. If you are similar with GitHub websites, pull requests. Wow, let's unbox this. Okay, they are making me curious now. Wow. Oh wow, this is superb. These are the mustaches of the cat which will be inserting on the mouth. Wow. Let's take this out of the box. Let's keep this here. Wow, this is so soft. Of course, this needs to be kept. Alright, so this is the stand on which we'll be keeping this Octocat. Okay, let me just fit this. Wow, as you can see, this is the figurine which is sent to me by the GitHub Education, and this is so nice to hold. You can see the details over here. Isn't this great? These are the mustaches. I'll be inserting this and showing it to you guys in the later part of the video. So yeah, let me try now only. These are delicate. Wow. Okay, so this is going to be inserted this way. Let me check. You might be able to see the holes over here. So I've inserted two. And yeah, I have inserted them successfully, and this looks so good still. So I need to just make it in shape. Yeah, I'm so excited to just decorate this on my desk and just talk with this. I'll just remove this for now. Yeah, this looks great, isn't it? And see this. Wow. So let's move on to the sticker pack. It contains 37 designs. Let's see. So yeah, I have taken the closer view. So now let's open this as well. As the bill said that there are 37 designs. So yeah, let us check that how unique and different the Octocats from GitHub Educations are. Alright. Black Octocats. Wow, they are so cool. Wow. Superb. I'll be naming them in the later part of the video. I'll be just showing one image in which all the names for the Octocats will be mentioned. I'm just loving it. They are so cute and adorable. And I know you might be happier to see what I have made through my art. I'll be just adding those images of my Octocats in the later part of the video. You might be able to see it in the ending. Make sure you just watch it before going away. Wow. Superb. There are literally 37 designs, and yeah, all of them are unique. So yeah, lastly, these are all the stuffs which I received from GitHub Education as the part of MyOctocat challenge. So you can also take part in the MyOctocat challenge by participating in any hackathons hosted by MLH and GitHub Education. So you can just ask or keep an eye on the announcements. And yeah, this is the figurine. These are 37 designs of stickers, and this is the Octoplush. And yeah, they all are lovely. So let's check out other Octocats by GitHub Education. On the website octodex.github.com, you can find various Octocats, which are the artwork of GitHub themselves. And you can just check out various themes on which they have created the Octocats, and just have fun. I'll be putting the link in the description as well, so it would be easier for you to just go through that link.